Hi, I'm Gianni from Giovanni.com, teaching you how to make money online and live the laptop lifestyle. If you can't afford to pay for traffic yet, I'm gonna show you 6 powerful traffic sources that you can use to drive traffic to your website, to your landing page in order to collect emails. So let's go to the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and to go to johnvianney.com in order to get the step-by-step coaching on how to make money online promoting other people products. Let's go to the video.
A great way to get lots of free traffic is to comment on other blogs. But the key here is to offer quality content that people actually read, because content that complements the original blog and comments that impress people are the ones that will get clicks, that will get people to click on your link in your comments. So the days of leaving mass quantities of low quality blog comments are over. Now, also, quality comments are what high quality bloggers will approve anyways if they do manually check. And make sure that the blog you're commenting on has a very high readership. So that's another key to the success of blog commenting, is that you comment on blogs that have a very high readership, along with putting in or typing in good quality comments. Now, to see which blogs have high readership, you can check out blog directories such as Technorati, which is the site I'm on right now, or Blogorama. Now, you'd also want to be one of the first people to comment on a blog post. So the sooner you can reply with an awesome comment, the better. This is because immediate blog comments will always be shown at the top. The new comments are shown on the bottom. And naturally, the comments at the top will get a lot more eyes. Now, this is why you should join a blogger's email list and also plug them into an RSS reader so you can be one of the first to comment. You can also set up a Google alert. You just Google here and just type in Google Alerts, and basically you put in your specifications of what you want to be notified about and your email, and Google will email you every time there's new content on a topic that you requested. And you can also just go to Google and search by content type and time. So for example, let's just go to Google, just type in weight loss tips. Let's say that's the niche you're in, and you could just go to search tools and go to any time, and you could see the past hour or past 24 hours, and basically the sites that put out new information and within that time period, you could see that, and then you could put in comments if those are actually blogs and allow comments. A great way to get lots of free traffic is to create an ebook or get private label rights to a book and basically submit that book to any one of dozens of websites that give away free ebooks. And inside these books that you're going to submit, you're going to, of course, you could insert a link to your website. Now, you can make this only 5 pages long with a continue reading at this website link at the end of your book, or you can even write a long book with your website promoted on every page or on the footer. You can maybe offer the first chapter for free and then provide a link to download the remaining chapters that leads to your site. Now, let me just show you a few sites that offer free ebooks, and these are sites that you can submit your ebooks to. So the first one here is freeebooks.net. So that's spelled free and then dash ebooks.net. Another popular one is getfreeebooks.com, and another one is e-library.net. And of course, you can just go to Google and type in free ebook directories or something like that, and you will find dozens of sites that offer free ebooks, and you could contact them, or there should be a way to submit your free ebooks to those sites. A great way to get lots of free traffic is to post on forums. The site I'm on right now is the Warrior Forum, and this forum is for internet marketing. But the thing is, you need to help people with their questions and provide quality information. Quality is key here. Another key is to post in forum threads that have a lot of activity, because these have lots of posts and lots of views. So there's a greater chance that people are going to see your posts, and the more people that see your posts, the more people that will click on your link in your forum signature. You can also post in forum threads that you think has the potential to get popular. For example, if it's in a topic you know is hot, and you have a gut feeling that a lot of people are going to be commenting on it, you could be one of the first to post on that thread. And of course, you could even start your own helpful threads. Okay, so let's just dive in here. Just give you an example. Let's just click on the main discussion forum here, and as you can see on this side here, you can see the total views for each thread in here. Let's just go for the highest one here. Right off the bat, I see 389. That's not bad. So have you ever made money from list building? So if you have an internet marketing list and you market to people that are interested in list building, this is great for you to comment on. As you can see, there's lots of comments on here, and a lot of them even have links to their sites. A great way to get lots of free traffic is to do guest blogging, and guest blogging is where you write blog posts for other people's blogs. Now the key here, as with most of the videos that I've made so far on this topic of free traffic, is quality. You have to provide quality content, and quality content will make the blog owner thank you for your content, and they'll most likely invite you back, and most importantly, the readers will love your content and will click on your links in your resource box. Now, so let's just go ahead and take a look at some sites out there where you can find blogs that are looking for guest bloggers, and there's plenty of them. You could do a Google search, but let me just show you 3 of them. Here's the Guest Blogging Network. Just go to guestbloggingnetwork.com. There's bloggerlinkup.com, and there's blogsynergy.com. Now, you can also approach popular blogs that may not be in any of these networks. You can approach them directly and offer them your content. And the key here is, when you're contacting these popular blogs, is to not look like you're begging, but to act as if you're hooking them up with content. So make sure when you contact the blog owner, that you let them know that you're going to give them some good quality content, and to not look like you're looking for some traffic. The site that I'm looking at right now is called helpareporter.com, and basically what you do is you subscribe to this site, and you'll get emailed a few times per day when a reporter needs to talk to an expert in a particular field that you have chosen. Now, there's many categories that you can subscribe to, and if you help these reporters, most of them will be happy to plug your website. So, for example, they may ask you questions on something related to weight loss, if that's your niche, and you can provide a few quotations that they could use, and they will source you. They'll give you credit for that, and maybe even link to your site. So just looking at the site here, it does mention that nearly 30,000 members of the media have quoted sources from this site, so members of this site. So this is a great way for you to get lots of free traffic, as it can help you build a relationship with reporters and get your website more exposure. A great way to get lots of free traffic is through press releases. Now the key here to have a successful press release is to have something that is worthy of news. You got to remember that a press release is not an advertisement or a sales page. It has to be a newsworthy event. You can write something related to a topic that's hot in the news right now. Now to find media outlets that will accept your press releases, you may want to first contact local media outlets, as they're more likely to pick up your press release if you're in their community. And to increase your chances of your press release being accepted, it's a great idea to give media outlets things such as Q&A sheets or question and answer sheets and biography sheets, as these will help you stand out. A Q&A sheet is a list of questions that a reporter can interview with if they do decide to interview you. And not only is this helpful to the reporter, but it'll make them look good. And of course, a biography sheet is something that describes who you are and your credentials, and why you're an authority on that topic. Another way to get your press release out is to submit it to press release submission sites, and you could do a Google search for that. But the best one out there right now is this site that we're looking at, which is prweb.com.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wanted to go in depth and learn how to make money online and live the laptop lifestyle promoting other people's products, go to johnvianney.com, submit your name and email, and get the 3-step formula on how to make money online. So remember to subscribe to the channel and go to johnvianney.com. Let's see you in the next video.